Good morning. Today is 28th July of 2022. We are trading for the expiry of July series. Yesterday there was important event, Fed rate decision. As market expected, it has came up to 0.75% only. VIX came down heavily in the US. Dow Jones traded in green more than 1%, but Nasdaq traded more up to 4%. Whereas in today morning, Nasdaq futures are trading down, including the Dow futures. So the pre-market nervousness made it to go for short covering. That led to the rally. Otherwise, they're flat. European markets also traded nervousness yesterday. Today you can see some recovery in them. However, we reacted very early yesterday itself. Today SGX is indicating it is trading up to 0.5%, more than 0.5%. Above 16,750 it is opening. That has been discounted, that I told in the last post. If you look at Dow Jones, once when there is a Fed rate announcement, there is a sudden jump, then it came down. Now it is trading flat almost. So we are also going to have a gap up opening, and thereafter we'll trade flat for the most of the time. Same you can see in the SGX also. It has traded. Now it is trading flat. So it went up to 16,850 above last night at 1 p.m. With this background, let's see what will happen in Indian market. Yesterday VIX came down in Indian market also. Highest gainer was overall that S&P 500. It's a very good sign. There is a short covering in all the aspects of the stocks in majority of sectors. Pharma was the top gainer. Bank Nifty is strong. It will remain strong for some more time. Among banks, PSU Bank was the top gainer. IT, all the companies were good, and the TCS is the top gainer. Today we have a results in Nestle. That should be kept in mind, including Dr. Reddy's. Biocon results were not that good, it was little poor. Tata Motors was poor. Yesterday we saw the Bajaj Finance, the last moment gave a result. It given a huge spike. Expect and further momentum in this. We went long for at 16,305 the moment it crossed. And Finser, that important event meeting for its split and bonus, they are discussing. Okay, let's see what will be there on the intraday Nifty and Bank Nifty. Because of nervousness, there was a less people are participating. ATR has come down, whereas RSI is increased. So this is supposed to increase the VIX. Let's see what will happen. Yesterday we closed at the day high, that is above 16,650 levels. Today we are opening at around 16,750 level, which is corresponds to the body yesterday's day for yesterday's high, recent high, that is 16,750 level. We are opening above this. I think this will be the resistance for the day. May not be the open and high, maybe not be the same. It may go little above because it was anticipated. When you look there is a bullish engulfing. So we anticipated this, and there won't be any surprises. We can see the opening around 16,780 level, what is showing on the SGX Nifty, and we may go little bit above and then we come down. Thereafter that nervousness has settled, so we may see some profit booking back to the 16,600 levels. to precisely we'll see. This is what we went for the last few days. We may go here at this 16. So this was the high of that day, 16,775. We may go and open there only. Thereafter we may go little up, then we'll settle down to be coming down. We'll see it. In the next few days, this 16,870 level and 890 level will act as a resistance. Maximum 16,902 should be the high on the neutral side in the coming days for any reason. Thereafter we may see the lot of profit booking. As I mentioned, there are two gaps are existing, though they are small. It is not a runaway gap, it was an expected gap. So we see some profit booking here. Precisely the intraday levels will update once the market settles. Bank Nifty is much stronger. So the finance sector and Bank Nifty will take up the Nifty, and Bank Nifty you can expect it to go up to 37,064 levels as well in today itself. I think it will open there only, hardly just 300 points. Thereafter we need to check till where it will get the resistance. As of now it is showing 37,465 levels for intraday. Once the price settles, we'll update the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Have a good day. Thank you.